for making my learner thinking very good thinker, okay, in mathematics, and also to get also to good marks and to understand, let's say, the concepts of mathematics. Okay, so now I wish that every one of you learners is let's say is attending this revision. Okay, this revision of course is gonna be for you, okay, learners, and I'm here to explain and answer your questions. Okay, so therefore learners, just I will stop this one, okay, because I'm going to go online on YouTube. Those who want to attend for foreign people or from other countries, you can, let's say, go to Pioneer, the Pioneer in Math, okay, Pioneer in Math. You will make a dot Pioneer in Math, Murad Sultan Ezouidi HSM. You will find me online. Okay, thank you. For the audience in Facebook, I'm going to switch this off. Thank you. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, learners, please try to now never delete this one. Okay. Post. Now, learners, we told that I will now start revising with you as I promised. Okay. So I like that. Yes. Okay. I can make like that. Okay. Now we move to the next part, which is final exam. What is it? Final exam. Grade 11. What is it? I'm looking for it exactly where I put it. Okay, this is now final exam, grade 11. Okay, so as you see here is your mathematics teacher, Murad Sultan Ezouidi, okay, the Pioneer in Math. Okay, and I'm going now to continue, let's say, solving. Okay, all of these kind of questions are very delicious for you. Okay, and just I'm going to go back to the last question. We forgot to write something here because I will use calculator, because we told that the sum of x square divided by n minus 1, I already forget, let's say, to divide it by -1. I will do it now and make it clear for you. Okay, therefore the question is that, learners, I'll just comes to this question. So the sum of x, the variance is the sum of x minus x bar or square divided by n minus 1. Here n minus 1 is 8 minus 1 is 7. Therefore here I forget this one, I didn't divide by n minus 1, I should divide by it. I will just do it again. Okay, I will insert a symbol of fraction symbols. Okay, so here it will be 7 minus 1, 8 minus 1 is 7, and this one is 1900 and 1907 and 54. Okay, oh my god. Okay, I will do it. Okay, so learners, please try to work at the same time that your teacher is doing his best to explain this for you. Okay, and to answer at least to your questions. So we told that I will make a root of root of 1954 divided by 7, in fact give 16 point equal 16 point what point, learners? 707. So just around this number it will be 71. Okay, so now it's clear for you that this is really the standard deviation. This is the standard deviation. I will now extend this one so you can see. Let's see the standard deviation 16.707. It will be 16 0.7121 dp. Okay, so learners, those who are looking for revising or going back to the courses or the lessons that we saw in the classroom, it's another chance here to redo it again. Okay, so now we move to the next part, learners. I will just go back, go down. So question, we solved this question, did you remember? Okay, this one we solved it, and we use the discriminant or the quadratic formula to solve this question. Okay, therefore learners, okay, just I will make with color, I will change color. Okay, now learners, if you want to send this to you, and I will do it. Okay, for surface you asked for if it is possible to send you the whole booklet of the revision. Okay, I will do this for you, but you should wait for finishing this one, then we will do, or then I will send to you. Okay, thank you. Just this is for reminding you that I didn't forget you, my son. Okay, this is the solution of the axis of symmetry. Okay, and this is the y value of the vertex or the turning point. Okay, and so what's written in color is the answers. Okay, what's written in color is the answer. Okay, at least you in this through this revision you will train yourself. You will remember everything that we saw in the classroom. Okay, with your Pioneer math, Murad, Sultan, Ezouidi. Okay, now this equation, learners, you can see this one. Find this is question deals with equation, solving equation. Okay, now find the coordinates of the point of intersection of x minus 2y equal 8 and xy equal 24. Therefore learners, I will just make like that. This is my equation. I will just write here all of this, no need to this one. Okay, I will erase this. We have what? In fact we have x minus, sorry, again, okay, we have learners. I just need this one, the rest no need. Okay, or only or. So at the same time, Mr. Thwini, I wish that you are online now with your teacher and with your friends. So here we have x, in fact x equal x minus 2y equal what? Equal 8. Okay, and the next equation is xy is equal to 24, equal to 24. Okay, the question try to find the intersections of points of these two equations. Means you are going to solve simultaneously. Okay, here learns, I will suppose that I will make here x my subject. Okay, I will suppose that x is equal in fact to what is equal. Yes, yeah, okay, take, no problem, take. Okay, we told that x in fact is equal to what? Equal to 2y plus 8. Okay, 2y plus 8 means I just wrote x as a subject, and therefore try to substitute, let's say, or replace x here with 2y plus 8. So I will just write this as replace. Okay, replace. Okay, this is I will label first learners equation 1. Okay, E1 means equation 1, 2 points, and the next one is equation 2. Okay, equation 2. Okay, therefore learners here you can just replace x with 2y plus 8. I will just do it here. It will be 2y 2y plus 8, okay, plus 8, then I will close this parenthesis, multiply by what? By y equal 24. Therefore 24 I will transfer to the right hand side. It will be equal to what? In fact, minus 24 equals 0. Okay, now this is in fact is a quadratic equation. I will just expand 2y multiplied by y is y square, 2y square. Okay, I'll just write this is will give us, or will apply that we told look, 2y multiplied by y, 2y, this 2y, okay, multiply by what? Multiply by y is equal to 2y square. I'll just write here 2y square. This is 2 and this is y square. Okay, this is y square. Then I will make like that. Then learners, you can see that 8 multiplied by y is plus 8y plus 8y, then negative 24. Therefore, if you are going to use the discriminant or the quadratic formula, you will set a is 2, okay, and b, a is 2 and b is 8, okay, b is 8 and c is negative 24. So you got, let's say, a quadratic equation. At the same time, now I'm showing you the method how can you find the intersection of the point, let's say the coordinates of points of intersections, okay, for these two equations. Just to try to apply the quadratic formula to find the value of y. Then after finding the value of y, you should replace in equation number 1 y to get x, okay. After finishing, you should replace x with y with the value that will be found. Therefore, learners, I will just use now delta. This will give us, okay, the value of delta. The value of delta, learners, is equal to b squared. Equal b squared. I will make now enter. Okay, equal b squared. B squared, in fact, is what? Is we told is, okay, we told b squared is 8 square. I will write 8 square, okay, then minus 4 multiply by what? By 2, multiply by 2, multiply by negative 24. Okay, then this value, learners, is in fact, you can use a calculator. It will be 8 square minus, multiply by minus is positive, plus 8 multiply by 24. So this one equal 256, equal 256. Therefore, the root of 256 is equal to in fact equal to 16. Okay, positive or negative 16. Okay, therefore the square root of delta is equal to what? To positive or negative 16. Now, as I found the value of this discriminant, learners, I will try to find the y value here. So I will just write this like that. Okay, Faisal and Thwini, how are you? How are you doing? I wish that you are okay, learners. Now I'll just expand this one. I will try to find the y value. Okay, therefore, learners, y is equal to what? I'll just write here, I need this one. Therefore, y is equal, the y value means because you have a quadratic, let's say quadratic equation in terms of y. So it will be, the formula is minus b plus a root of delta divided by 2a. Minus b is minus 8, okay, because b is 8, minus 8, plus negative root of delta is 16. I will write 16 divide by 2 times 2, it will be 4. Okay, so we have in fact two values. So to find now, it's clear the y, this will give us, learners, the y is equal to negative 6. Negative 8 plus 16 is 8 divided by 4 is 2. So, or you can also write y is equal to what? Negative 8 negative 16 is negative 24 divided by what? Divided by 4 gives negative 6. Okay, this is the value of y. Okay, to find x now, learners, just find x. I will just write find x. Find x means you are going to replace, that's means, okay, replace y with okay, with, let's say, first of all, between parentheses I'll make 2 y equal 2, and okay, comes here, and what? And negative 6 in which equation? In equation 1. In equation 1. Okay, in equation 1. Therefore, learn the equation 1 told that exactly this is my equation. Okay, I will write here down. It will be, okay, it will be what? It will be x equal 2 times 2. 2 times 2, learners, is 4. Okay, plus 8 gives 12. Okay, means that x is 2 times 2 is 2 times 2. Okay, plus 8 gives really 12. Okay, and let's say the next one, when y equal negative 6, it will be 2 times negative 6 plus what? Plus, learners, plus 8. Okay, so 2 times I'll just write here or, because we have two values, or 2 times minus 6 is minus 12, plus 8 is negative 4, equal negative 4. Therefore, as a conclusion, learners, the value of x is in fact is 2. Okay, when y equal to we told x equal to 12 when y is equal to 2. Okay, the second solution is x is equal to negative 4 when y equal negative 6. These the 2 points are the intersection of these two equations. Okay, this is how can you solve the question, learners. Now the question is now looking for you to illustrate. The question is illustrate your solution graphically. So here I will just, let's say, go to GeoGebra. Okay, this is, you can see x equal to y plus 8 is a linear equation, and the second equation, which is xy equal 24, it's a hyperbola. Okay, therefore I will just go and plot this one, learns, for you. Okay, I'll go to GeoGebra. Okay, GeoGebra, just wait for me, I'm looking for GeoGebra. Take time, learners. Okay, yalla, come on, GeoGebra, happened to you. Okay, okay, now learners, we just continuing. Okay, we will continue. So this one is the internet, net 2, internet access. Okay, it works. I will wait for this one. I will make GeoGebra. Okay, this is GeoGebra. I will write my equation, learners. I will write my equation. I will make GeoGebra. Okay. So therefore I will just write xy equal 24. Okay, we thought this is a hyperbola, and I will add another. This is xy. Recover and save it. Okay, no need. Okay, then we move to the next one. I will just erase this one. This one no need, learners. I will erase it. Okay, we told xy is equal to 24. Okay, and then we told that x minus 2y equal 8. Okay, so we told x minus 2y equal 8. Therefore, learners, the equation will come like that. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. This is xy equal, or I will change this as, okay, I'll change this as y equal 24 divided by 24 divided by x. I wish that would work. Doesn't work this one. No problem. So yx is equal to 24. Okay, no problem. How doesn't work this one? Okay, I'll come here and do it. We have division. So I will just write this as y is equal to equal to 24 divided by x divided, what is the divided? This one divided, yes, by x. Okay, good man. Now this is the intersection of my equations. Okay, this is hyperbola. Okay, we have when x equal, let's say 12, ly is 2. Okay, this is, and what else? I will just move to the next part. We have another. Okay, and the next one I can reduce, but I don't know if it works or not. Okay, like that. You see, when let's say x, I will let's say make big so that I can appear to 12 at least. Yes, we told that when x equal 12, y is 2. Okay, and this is, and when x equal, let's say minus x is minus 4, y is negative 6. Okay, I'll just make this one as that. Okay, I will go to paint, my friend, where are you? Okay, now just make this one as that. Okay, so I'll just select this one. This one is here. I'll put this one the curve of the hyperbola, and this one is the second equation, linear equation. Okay, the red one. So you can see this is the solution set of my simultaneous equation. X is 12, y is 2, x is negative 4, y is negative 6. Okay, now I will take this for you. Okay, I will put it on the revision. Okay, therefore now I can at least sketch or illustrate this graphically. Okay, this is no need now because خلاص we did this. Okay, now move to the next question. Find the range of values for which y is kx meets at y into two distant points. Okay, here learners means what? Into two distant points, meaning the value of delta is positive. Okay, is not negative and is not equal to 0. You are going to use the method of, let's say, the quadratic formula, or also you can use the method of computing the square whatsoever. Okay, now learners, I will just write my equation. This one I will make the elimination method. You can tell that y minus y is 0, therefore I will make okay, kx, I will make kx minus kx plus 2 minus what? Minus is positive plus x square, or I will make it parentheses, no problem. Okay, I will close parentheses, but here I will just put it inside if it is possible. I will make maybe this, so I will make here. Okay, I will make learners y minus y is equal to what? The first equation, I mean the first equation minus the second equation. Okay, this is the second equation. Okay, therefore learners, I will just write y minus y, in fact is 0. Okay, equal what? Equal kx plus 2 minus what? Okay, minus, I'll check this one, minus x square minus 2. Therefore this one will give us, learners, what exactly? Will give us, which is equal to, or I will just write okay, minus 2 close parentheses equal, we told the minus is x square, it will be x square plus, it will be x square plus what? Plus learners, okay, minus positive, then positive, plus 2, then plus this 2 also. Okay, plus this one. Okay, I'll just write plus 2 also, plus 2 plus kx, or kx I will write it here, plus kx. Okay, therefore this one is equal also, 2 plus 2 is 4. I will just write here 4, which is equal to what, learners? Equal to 0. Why 0? Simply because y minus y is 0. Therefore I'm going to solve this equation. Okay, therefore I'll just write this as, enter, I'll make delta is equal to what? Delta, this one, symbol of delta, this one, equal b squared, which is k squared minus 16, k squared minus what? Minus k squared minus 16, because 4 by 4. This one should be positive. Why? Because the question is try to try to find the range of values of k for which y equal kx plus 2 meets y equal negative x squared minus 2 in two distant points. Means, let's say the range is either between the roots or outside the roots, so this one should be positive more than 0, more or equal now more than 0. Okay. So therefore learners, I would just write this as k squared, or this will give us k square. I will just make like this again, k square is more than 16, okay. So, and the value of k here should be equally a 4 and negative 4. The value of k, the values of k can be negative 4, or I'll just write r, let's say negative 4 or 4, okay. Now let's say, okay, what else? So I'll just right now to solve this equation, I will make k is more than 4 or less than negative 4, okay. Therefore I will just write that k, okay. Oh my god, no, please, I'll get some other, okay, copy. Therefore we told that k, what is it, k, go down, k is more than, okay, it will be positive, is, okay, is less than negative 4, or k is more than a 4. This is the range, learners, okay. Means that in fact this range is where your equation negative, okay. We told that outside the roots it will be positive, and inside the roots it will be negative. This is outside the roots, so it should be negative. Okay, for the second equation we have, give the function, I will go down, given the function of x equal x squared minus 2x plus 1 and g of x is x cubed, calculate g of f of 1, okay. Now learners, just a simple, let's say, application. Every one of you can use this one, and I think that does not you will never have a problem if the question will be like that, okay, because I know that you are very intelligent. So just I will write what, learners, okay. So I will just write g of, now I delete this one, I'll make g of f of 1, which is equal to what, learners? Which is equal to, I'm going to first of all calculate f of 1, which is 1 square minus 2 multiplied by 1, okay, plus 1. 1 square is 1, so it will be g of 0. It will be equal g of 0, okay. G of 0 here, it will be equal to 0 cubed. It will be equal to 0 cubed equal 0 cubed. This is equal sign, okay, 0 to the power 3, okay, to the power 3, which is in fact equal to 0, okay. Why? Simply because when x equal 1, when you replace, let's say, in the function f equal f of 1 is 1 square minus 2 times 1 plus 1, this one is 0, and g of 0 is 0, okay. This is how can you solve this kind of questions, okay. I think it's not difficult, learners, just concentration, try to concentrate, and the more your concentration is good, the less, let's say, you will the less losing marks. Okay, for the second question also, g now of f of 1. The question looking for g also of f of 1. The f of g of 1 also should be calculated. Okay, now I'm going to change this one as that. I will make f, this is my function f of g of 1. So first of all, learn the g of 1 is what? Is 1 cubed. Okay, is 1 cubed. I will just replace here. 1 cubed is 1. Okay, I will just write it. F of what? F, what is f? F of g of 1 learns is 1 to the power 3. You can, let's say, calculate it using calculator. Is 1 to the power 3. 1 to the power 3 is what? Is 1. So close this one and erase this. So f of 1 is what learns. If you are going to go back here, it will be 0. F of 1, I will just write 1, okay, square, okay, minus 2 times 1, okay, plus 1. This one equal 1 minus 2 plus 1 equal 0. Okay, therefore the composite function fg of 1 is 0. Okay, both here are the same answer. Okay, now learners, I will just go to the next part. Okay, prove that f minus 1 of x is 1 plus root of x, and or f minus 1 of x is 1 minus root of x. Okay, therefore I will go back, learners, to my equation. F of x is what? This one, my f of x. Okay, this is my function f of x. I will make copy here, then I will go down. So please concentrate while trying to concentrate. I will just erase this one, no need. Okay, because we did above. Now I will come here. Okay, where? Here. Okay, look here, learners. I'll just now put my function. Now to find the inverse function, or to prove this one, you should, let's say, first of all, let f of x equal y. Equal y means what? This is will give us, okay, minus I small e, means that y is equal to x square minus 2x minus 1, or this one I can write it as that, in fact, is equal to x between parentheses x minus 1 all square. Okay, I'll just write it x minus 1 all square to the power 2. Okay, because I will just let you remember something. Okay, I will just put this up if it is possible, or I will just remember, or note, remember that, sorry, remember that, control V, remember that Mr. Murad. هذه no need يا سي مراد، هذه خلاص control V. Okay, I will make a minus b ولا x minus y whatsoever. Okay, this one, learners, is equal to what? Equal x square, equal x square. Okay, equal x square plus 2 times xy plus this one. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, it's derived from binomial expansion. Okay, therefore here this is x square. I will write it here, x square minus 2 times x times 1, it will be minus 2x, plus 1 square is 1. Therefore I will just write now y is equal to x minus 1 all squared. Okay, therefore I'll just write this. Okay, therefore where is therefore Sheikh Murad? This one, yes, Murad. Okay, equal, this is his y. Now just you will reverse, you will tell that let x equal y and let y equal x, means you are going to change x in y and y in x, means change, just a moment, change, yes, just I will see my phone. Okay, I will see the phone, I will see the set code. هلو أم أحمد، السلام عليكم. خبر محمد أحمد كله في مراجعة أونلاين الحين سوف في اليوتيوب، كله يتابع. أوكي تمام. أوكي Hello Ahmed, how are you doing? Please inform your friends to join, huh? Okay, thank you. Hello my dear wife, I'm recording my online revision, okay? Within 15 minutes I will try to answer you, okay, thank you. Therefore, we told that change x in y, and y in x. Okay, means what, learns? Means you are going to write this as that. Okay, you will just write this as x equal, this is x, is equal to y minus 1. Okay, now you are going to take, let's say, to take roots for both sides. I will just what is my equation? Therefore this is equivalent to, this is if and only if y minus 1 is equal to root of x. Okay, in fact equal to plus negative root of x, plus negative root of x. Okay, this is x. Then I will just now add 1 to both sides, or transfer this 1 to the right hand side, so it will be positive. Therefore y, learners, is equal, this gives us means, or this means gives y equal 1, okay, plus negative root of x. Okay, I will just like write this out of this, then I will erase what is needed. Okay, now told y is equal to minus 1, it will be positive 1, plus negative, okay, plus negative root of x. Okay, the question in fact, therefore I can write f minus 1 of x is equal this or that. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, therefore f minus 1 of x is equal to what? Oh, what happened? Okay, so we told f minus 1 of x is 1 plus root of x, or 1 minus root of x. Okay, the curves. Okay, the next question 16. The curves of functions f of x, of minus 1 of x, here is this is all g of x. Okay, we'll see it. X squared minus 2x and f minus 1 equal 1 plus root of x. Okay, this one are drawn on the Cartesian plan. This is, let's say, f minus 1 of x. This is x squared minus 2x plus 1. You can see, let's say, the range of 1 plus root of x is 1 plus infinity. 1 to infinity means x. Y is more than, okay, or equal to 1. Okay, this is the range of f minus 1 of x equal 1 minus root of x. Okay, and the range for 1 minus, if we suppose here, I will just plot this one. If we suppose now that we are going to find the range of 1 minus root of x, okay, it will be, let's say, we told, okay, symmetrical. When x, we told when x equal 1, okay, it will be 0, so it will be like that. It will be reflection in the y equal 1. Okay, this y equal 1, it can be, let's say, the line of symmetry. Okay, so this curve f minus 1 of x equal 1 plus root of x is reflected to let you obtain the curve of the curve of the inverse function f of x, which is 1 minus root of x. Okay, now learners, we just try to continue to draw the graph. Okay, the graph was drawn there for you. Okay, describe the transformation. Okay, we'll change the graph of f minus 1 of x, okay, equal 1 plus root of x into f minus 1 of f minus 1 of x, which is 1 minus root of x. This one we thought it's a reflection in the y-axis. Okay, reflection in the y-axis. Y is equal to what? Equal to 1. Okay, now if we are going to see the next part, learners, okay, I will just write here, it's okay, I'll just write this one as that. Okay, I will need this for you, so I will now erase this one, delete, no need. Okay, delete this, Mr. Murad. Okay, make this one. Okay, this is the root of 1 minus root of x. Okay, and I will add another. I will make like that, but here I will make positive. Okay, you see, so now if you are going to see this one, I will make a screenshot and then, okay, I'll go here, I will paste this, then I will make like that. This is f minus 1, the inverse of the function x squared minus 2x plus 1, and also g of x, it's also f minus 1 of x, which is the inverse function of x squared minus 2x plus 1. Okay, now you can see this one. You can now, let's say, describe the transformation if you want. Okay, describe the transformation. Yes, this one. I will just plot this here. So this is the curve of f minus 1 of x equal 1 plus root of x. Okay, and this one is the image of f minus 1 of x through what? Through the through y equal the mirror line y equal 1. Okay, means this curve was reflected here in the y-axis. Okay, now it's clear at least. How can you describe transformation? Now we move to the next part. Solve for x. Okay, solve for x. The 2x minus 1 equal x plus 1, the absolute value, of course. Now learners, it's easy for you. Just you are going to use that. Yes, okay. Yes, I will check my mobile first, learners. Ahmed, okay. Join where, teacher? Okay. You don't. Okay, I will send you. Just a moment. Okay, I will send him first. This one. Okay. My friend, he didn't. My student. Okay, he didn't. I will try to send this for him. Share.
I will write my equation.
Now I will share this for you, Mr. Ahmed. Okay. Okay. I will also share for grade 11 boys. Okay. Also. Okay. Now learners, to solve this question, it's very easy. Okay. For example, I will change this by minus, for example, 9. Okay. And this here, for example, plus. Okay, I'll leave it as it is now. No problem. Leave it as it is. It's an example. Okay. So therefore, the absolute value of 2x minus 1 equal the absolute value of x plus 2. To solve this, learners, you will tell that 2x minus 1 is in fact equal to minus between parentheses x plus 2, or we will give negative sign to x and then you are going to give a negative sign to 2, or let's say we'll tell 2x minus 1 is equal x plus 2, not change. Okay, therefore I will write 2x plus 1. Okay, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 equal minus x, then minus 2, or 2x minus 1 equal x plus 2. Okay, no change for the second one. Why? Simply because I will let you remember something, learners. Okay, copy. Remember that. Okay, if I will make, for example, x, let's x equal b or equal y. No. Equal, for example, b means if and only if, or this is equivalent to x equal plus negative b. X is equal plus negative b. Okay, so in this example we told, let's say x in fact is the same as 2x minus 1. We wrote 2x minus 1 equal minus b, means b now is x plus 2. It will be minus x minus 2, or 2x minus 1 equal x plus 2. Then you are going to collect like terms. Okay, means I will just do this one again. Copy. Okay, now I'll just continue solving, learners. I will tell that this is a plus x. I will write it or transfer on the left hand side. It will be plus x. Then minus 1, it will be cancelled and it will be 1. Okay, or it will be minus 2 plus 1. Then the next here, x, this one is positive. When it will be transferred, it will be minus x. Then minus 1 comes to be positive 1. Okay, positive 1 means you are going to collect like terms. Therefore 2x plus x is minus 1. I will just write this as equal minus 1, or I will just, okay, I will keep it like that. Okay, no problem. Copy. This is, it will give us learns what exactly? Will give us that 2x plus x is 3x equal 1, equal minus 1, because 1 minus 2 is minus 1, or 2x minus x is x, خلاص, no need to cancel, equal 1 plus 2 is 3. Therefore the roots here learners is what? The solution of the value of x, because the question is solve for x. So it will be 3x equal negative 1 over 3. I will divide both sides by 3. Okay, or what? Or x equal 3. This is the roots are the solution for my equation. Then what else? Then learners. Okay, so I will just save this one, learners. Then I will send this for you if it is possible. I will try to send for you. Okay, thank you for listening. We'll see you inshallah next time. Leave without thinking. Okay, I will try to send this. Thank you for listening. It was with you, Mr. Murad, Sultan Ezouidi. Okay, I will just send to me, compose, Murad, Samahar Bilingual School. Okay, dear learner, or math booklet of math. Okay, I will go back to okay, I will put this here first. What is final exam? Yes. Okay, I will send to me, then I will send to you. Okay, now learners, thank you for listening. Make sure that I love you so much, and I wish that the revision at least was very clear for you. Now I will just take my first this is a T. Okay, thank you, learners. See you inshallah next time. Okay, I love you so much, and it's at least a window where I can see you, a window where I can, let's say, talk with you ear to ear. Okay, and just okay, just I will tell you goodbye. See you inshallah next time. I will continue inshallah. Okay, thank you for listening. I will just now close and make stop streaming. Goodbye.